Now, many people think, when you talk about design, you think about creating something from absolutely nothing. Now that, to a certain extent, is true, because obviously there's nothing in there in the first place. However, when you think about, if you were going to design something, for example, this kettle, you think about all of the knowledge and information that the designer actually has to have at their fingertips. For example, they've got to understand the way it looks and how the customer perceives the way it looks, the way it's going to be used, on ergonomics, the technology involved in it, how it heats the water, how you keep it safe, but also how it's going to be manufactured, how you're going to make from that sort of cost. So you can see there's a lot of knowledge that's involved with design. In addition to that, to actually get a completed design, for example, this kettle, you need also a raft of skills. Those skills would be things like sketching and drawing, using computers, modelling, and actually being creative when you need to be and being analytical at other times. So they're the basic things that you actually need when you actually want to produce a product design.
I was really impressed with the course. First off with Nick Hills, our tutor, who has many years experience in the industry, and he's taught us amazing stuff. The course is good. We have up-to-date facilities. As you can see, I've built a rapid prototype, which is like 3D printing facilities. So we've got everything up to date, everything's standard in industry. I'm part of the football team currently, so that's pretty interesting. As a foreign student, you probably can't tell by my accent, but I am a foreign student. Yeah, it was a great environment. Like, the clubs are really good to bring in foreign students. They make you feel at home. It's good. The campus is within the city, so it's close to anything you want to go, pretty much, and it's cheap, of course. If you want to learn about anything engineering-wise, Bradford's top-notch for that. I don't know much about the other disciplines, but in terms of engineering, they should definitely come to the university. They'll definitely get a job from it.
I think the facilities are really good. The library's good because it's massive, and like Ash, we've got our own studio here, which is really great, and we can just come in whenever we want and work upstairs. I just say it's a really good atmosphere. There's like a massive mix of people from like all over the world, which is really good, and teachers are good, social life's good, so yeah.
If you've got a passion for design, it is a good place to come, you know, if you want to do a BSc especially, so you want to get to know the technology side of it, you know, manufacture, this, that, the other. It's just going to give you, you know, a broader spectrum.
Well, I'd say overall I've been to quite a lot of universities, visited friends or gone to open days. Now, the Bradford, like the Chesham suite, the third floor suite that they've got a lot of computers. All the computers have got like Adobe Photoshop, you've got your Solid Edge, you've got your CAD/CAM softwares. Now the Bradford University, while the design and engineering spend a lot of money on the computer systems to keep up with the market at the moment. And I'd recommend it to anyone who's interested in design. Even though you don't know what you're doing, come and have a look, come and see what Bradford Design is about.